Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to see recently played with players on Steam. So let's begin. First, if you're aware on who are the players that you've recently played with, you can actually go to your Steam right over here, okay? So for example, it could be any game, especially co-op or multiplayer games. So click on view and then over here players. And it will show everyone in here for the past few weeks. Okay. Or you can simply go to right over here, add a friend, and it will also show right over here, recently played with. It will show every player, like the player's name, dates that you've played with this player, and also the game itself. Right? So that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.